Welcome back, folks. Get ready for an intense courtroom showdown as we dive into the case of Mr. Jones and Mr. Rojos today. We're tackling not one, but two explosive cases. First, Mr. Jones faces probation violations for firearm theft and a drug arrest, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Then Mr. Rojos enters the picture, with serious allegations of assaulting a peace officer and possessing a controlled substance. Will the judge show mercy, or will justice deliver a hard sentence? Buckle up, this courtroom drama is about to get wild.
Good morning. Were you Jamarcus Zarate Jones? Did you get someone hired?
Well, I talked to 3 lawyers.
Okay.
Lori,
Keep in touch with the bonds.
Lori Parenzo,
Mm-hmm.
Corey Crenshaw, and Kate John.
Okay. And so where are you on being able to get someone hired? Pull your pants up. Just wearing a belt doesn't do it. Pull them all the way up so that I can't see your underwear sticking out the front. And nobody wants to see it sticking out the back. You understand? Okay. So where are you on being able to get someone hired?
I'm not physically fit.
Are you working?
No,
Why aren't you working?
because of these charges currently.
Okay. Were you working before?
Yes,
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay. So you're on, have you been going to probation like you're supposed to?
Yes, ma'am.
So where do you live? Who pays your bills?
Family, with family.
Okay. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. I just wanted to make you aware, the charges haven't been filed yet. We sent over a hearing last week to second amendment because he was arrested again here in Jefferson County. So he has 2 more charges that should be filed.
What'd you get arrested for?
Just being with the wrong crowd at the wrong time.
Sounds like you are the wrong crowd. You're not? You're on probation for theft of a firearm and you've been arrested twice now? Since this, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, ma'am. Well, he was arrested in March, but he was also arrested June the 18th for possession of marijuana and unlawfully carrying a weapon.
Have a seat in the jury box. We're going to have you tested and then I'm going to decide what to do. It looks like you have a prescription, but I want to go through real quick.
I don't know.
Hold on. Let me read this police report real quick about your last arrest. All right, so Mr. Jones, obviously, hold on a second, you're on probation for theft of a firearm. You've been arrested, just last week, week before last, and were able, I guess, did you make a bond in the new case?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you're on probation for the felony offense of theft of a firearm, and because you were arrested in a vehicle that looks like, allegedly, obviously you've not been charged with it, but there was marijuana in the car near the seat where you were sitting. It smelled like y'all had been smoking marijuana, and there was a gun in the glove box where you were sitting. So I'm going to find that the bond that I set in the motion to revoke your probation case is not in the best interest of our community. I'm going to find that because you've been arrested while you were on that bond, it is appropriate for me to raise that bond. And at this time, I'm raising your bond to $200,000. You can go back with the bailiff. Hand it to the bailiff.
I'm trying.
You got to try harder than being in a car with a gun and marijuana while you're on probation. You've got a motion to revoke your probation.
Understand.
Go with the bailiff. We'll figure it out. We'll get you a lawyer appointed and we'll figure it out. Good morning. Are you Tiffany English?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Rojos, will your client waive the formal reading of the motion in each case?
She will, Your Honor.
Ms. English, in 18-30705, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. It shows that you were placed on probation June 10th of 2019 for the offense of assault on a peace officer, a second-degree felony, and that was a 7-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And in cause number 19-31722, I also have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation June 10th of 2019 for the state jail felony offense of possession of a controlled substance, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And Judge, I just want to clarify for the court's knowledge, I spoke with Ms. Cole. That was extended. When I first looked at it, it looked like it was 2019, and now it's 25, that it would have been expired, but I confirmed
That it had.
been extended.
Okay, thank you. Each of these cases allege that you violated your probation. Count 1 in each case alleges that you tested positive on a drug patch for tetrahydrocannabinol and cocaine May 8th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
Yes, ma'am.
True or not?
Sure.
Count 2 in each case alleges that you failed to provide verification of completing a job search. And is that true or not true?
Yes, true.
Count 3 in each case alleges that you are behind in your court-assessed fees. Is that true or not true?
Sure.
Count 4 in each case alleges that you failed to successfully complete the SafeP program. Is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1 through 4 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of these cases, I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojos?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand if I follow the agreements that you've made with the district attorney, you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1 in each case?
No objection.
It's admitted in each case. Is there any evidence that Ms. English is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, in each of your cases, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1 through 4 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. In cause number 18-30705, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty of assault on a peace officer. Sentence you in accordance with your plea agreement to a term of 3 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive.
Yes, ma'am.
And cause number 19-31722, also find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of possession of a controlled substance. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 18 months in the state jail prison. You will also receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. These 2 cases will run concurrently, which means together at the same time. I'm handing you the trial court certifications in each of your cases that shows these were agreements that I followed, so you have waived your right to appeal. I have also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of the judgments entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read that written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk to Mr. Rojos.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you, ma'am. You can go back with the bailiff.
Thank you.
So, let's break it down. Mr. Jones is facing the consequences of 2 separate probation violations. In the first case, he's caught with a firearm and marijuana while on probation. The judge raised his bond, sending a clear message: breaking the law while on probation isn't going to fly. In the second case, Mr. Rojos pleads guilty to assaulting a peace officer and possession of cocaine. Both defendants are now facing significant time behind bars. A hard lesson learned. What do you think? Was the judge too harsh? Or was this long overdue? If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.